Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit about how to restructure people's payments. We're going to go to this customer here. He's a demo customer. You'll see he was going to pay $25 twice. He did pay $25 when he first signed up, and then the second payment failed. Now, normally we would want to go to pay now, but for testing purposes, I'll just show you that you can restructure anyway. So he owes us $25. Right now he's set up for 0, and if we go 20, we can put in $20 now and $5 in a month. You hit Save Schedule, going to chug, and now we're going to restructure it and have $20 charging tomorrow and $5 a month later. Now, the reason we're going to do it tomorrow is because the automated system is going to pick it up at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning and run the charge. So we want to make sure that this is sort of prepped for tomorrow. If we wanted to make him pay right now, we would use the pay button, but that's a different feature. Now I'll show you a more complicated case where we've got a guy who has a bunch of different payments. You'll see he signed up for $45, $55, and $25, which is $125. Go to restructure, supposed to pay us $125. He's paid us $75 because of various tests and things, so he still owes us $50. Now you can just put in $50 if you want, and that'll make it $12. You can also do $30. It'll be a payment of $30 and $20. Now let's say we wanted to charge this on July 16th for some particular reason. We can do that, modify, and then save. And we'll see he's now scheduled to charge the next payment on the 16th and the one after that on the 18th. Again, some of these names are going to be confusing because you've seen a lot of, this account has seen a bunch of test data. And if you restructure your payments more than once, the display is going to get tripped up. Now, the actual truth of this stuff, the actual data is true, but the coloring and the terminology could be a little confusing, but it works. So I hope that's good enough, and on to the next feature.